Marketing for commercial cleaning and janitorial is a complete timing thing. Let me explain. So if you're looking at this meme, on the left side, there's the beginner. So he is just getting started. He's very excited. He wants to figure out the channel, how to get leads, how to get new contracts. So he's going to figure out one channel that works because that's all he really has time for. That's the only thing he really knows how to do. So he's going to start doing email. He's going to do door knocking, or he's going to do cold calling. He is going to do just one of it, and he's going to do one of it a lot. So putting a lot of reps in, a lot of attempts. If it works, and then he'll double down. And then if it works again, he'll triple down. His goal is to get to 20K a month. Once he gets to 20K a month, that's the problem. That's where a lot of people are at. They are starting to overcomplicate things. They hear on Facebook, online, through YouTube, or just blogs or whatever. They hear that you need to create offers that are irresistible so you can get people interested from the get-go on your ads or on your emails or when you show up at the door, when you're door knocking or a cold call. And then also at the same time, you think that because you've been in business for 5 years and you have great staff, you treat your staff very well, that these people care. The people that you want to provide services for, they do not care. They just want cleaning services when it's the right time. They might care a little bit about your personality and the person that's selling them, but simply it's a timing thing. So if they are coming out of a contract, they're frustrated with their current cleaning staff, they have volunteers or internal staff and they want to start delegating it and get rid of their tasks from their internal staff doing it and putting it onto a cleaning company that's professional and can do it right. Maybe they aren't meeting compliance standards. There's so many things that can contribute to the timing thing, but simply if you hit them at the right time, with the right message, and it's the right person that you're contacting, whether it's through ads, if it's door knocking, or if it's cold calling, or if it's email, and simply if it's the right time, and then it will prompt them to respond, set a walkthrough for you or with you, and then you'll be able to close them into a recurring contract potentially. If you look in the far right, that's the person that's at the 6-figure, 7-figure, 8-figure business. This person is basically coming out of the point where he's overcomplicating it, but he figured out it's simply a timing thing, keeping everything stupid simple, just having a channel that works very well and having multiple channels. So once he nails one channel, he goes to the next channel, keeps that first channel going. When I say channel, I mean marketing channel. So he is running Google local service ads. He's running Google search ads, and he's also doing email. He hired a cold calling team. He's also delegating. He's letting agencies help him get more quality leads. He has a great team that's doing these walkthroughs. He's not doing the walkthroughs himself. He has a team doing that, but simply he's knowing how to nail one channel, doing it really well, keeping it simple because he knows that it's just a timing game. It's putting enough of the right touches on the right people in the area, and that's how he's going to win. That's how he's at a very high income level. He's making a lot of money in his business, and he's able to support his staff, pay them well, make them happy, and just continue growing his business and just be a very happy individual. So wrapping this up, something that I've learned from talking to a lot of cleaning business owners, ones that are just beginning, in the middle of it, overcomplicating things, not trusting things, thinking an agency like myself, it's a scam, but also talking to people that are high level, very successful. It's simply a timing thing. Whether it's cold email, door knocking, cold calling, if you're hitting them at the right time with the right message and it's the right person, it's going to work. Thanks for watching.